What's up, Tech Online? It's me again, Christopher. I'm going to show you how you create a date picker in your data. So if you have your team and you want to fill a tracker or a log sheet and you always want them to double click and have a date picker, here we go. So I will give you an example. When you type a date in a correct format, let's say 20th October 2023. So this date is aligned on the right, which means it is already in the right format. So when I double click, I'll have a date picker. I can change this date to something else. But when I double click on any blank space, I'm not having the date picker. Why? Because you have not yet validated your sheet to, or your column, or your cells to have that date picker. How do you do that? Select the area where you want to have the date picker, go to data, then look for data validation. The moment you have the right pen, add a rule. So it will automatically put drop down, but this is not what we need. So we need a validation that is a valid date. So the moment you do that, restrict anything that is not a date. You can even put something to highlight and tell you people that please double click to have that date. So I will do here double click for the calendar like this. So the moment you do that, you say done. So when I double click this, I'll have a calendar. The moment I enter something that is not a date, let's say Sabiti, it will tell me please double click for the calendar. Otherwise, this is it. So here I can double click and pick any date, even if it is in future, even if it is in the past. So you can pick any date. Otherwise, please subscribe, keep watching, share and comment. Leave us that thumbs up if this one is helpful to you, and otherwise we meet you in the next video. Bye bye.